Hola, welcome to another Spanish lesson. In this lesson, we're going to be looking at indirect cognates, and it's part 1 of 3. Now, cognates is a category of words in Spanish that the words that you're looking at, they have a connection or some sort of easily recognizable trait between the English and the Spanish. Exact cognates are words that are spelled the same way in both languages. All that you do is pronounce them differently. Direct cognates are words that have parts of the word having a similarity to the English word or a correlation to the English. So for example, you'd have a word in Spanish that ends with mente, like correctamente, and the English equivalent ends with ly. So the correctamente would become correctly. Now, indirect cognate is a little bit trickier than that because you have to almost go through a bridge or through a middleman to get to the meaning that you want. So what we're going to do here is put 3 columns. So we're going to have our Spanish word. We're going to have our English cognate, which is the word that you are looking to see what the connection is. And then we're going to have our English meaning. Three columns. And I'm going to go through only 10 of these. And I'm sure by the time I'm going through them, you're going to start picking up on the relationship yourself and go, you know, I never thought of it that way. I just knew that it sounded something like that, but I never thought that I was really onto something. So our Spanish word, our first Spanish word is the word alto. Now, alto in English means tall. But what is the connection between alto in Spanish and tall in English? Which English word connects tall to alto and alto to tall? And that word is altitude. So here is what is happening. Alto resembles the word altitude, and altitude has to do with being tall. And so therefore, let's put the arrow over here to show the direction. And so therefore, alto means tall. So we see that bridge that we have right here with the word altitude. Let's look at another. Ascensor. Now, ascensor has to do with ascending or going up. And what device is it that goes up? Elevator. So again, we see the connection. Ascensor resembles ascending. It doesn't mean ascending. It just resembles it. And ascending has to do with elevators. Ascensor means elevator. We're going to be doing 10 of these, so we have 8 more to go. Let's get some space to work with. Número 3. Bailar. Think about it. What does bailar resemble? And whatever it resembles, what is that similar to in terms of the real meaning of bailar? Bailar resembles ballet. And ballet has to do with dance. So bailar to ballet, ballet to dance. Bailar means to dance. the infinitive to dance. Another example. Carne resembles carnivore, and persons who are carnivores eat meat. Carne therefore means meat. And we have what I like to call families. So coming from carne, we have the place where your carne is sold, which is your carniceria. And we have the person who prepares your carne, which is your carnicero. And again, they both resemble carnivore. And all that you have to do in this case is realize that this is the thing. Carne is the thing. So it's three nouns. Carne is the thing. I wonder if I can find a way to scooch it in. So carne is the thing. Carniceria is the place. And the carnicero is the person. And so our English meaning converts over here for these last two. Our English meaning converts to butcher shop and butcher. Cinco más. And these are, once you get the hang of it, it's very easy. I'm just doing letters A to D for this lesson. We pick up on others in the rest of the alphabet as we go along. So cine resembles cinema, and cinemas have to do with movies. Cine means movie. Let's get a little more space. Número 7. Now this one looks like it could just be a regular direct cognate because it looks like what it actually means. It's just that there isn't really a recognizable pattern that you could put your finger on to say other words like this would behave the same way. So we have it in the indirect cognates category. So comprender means to comprehend. That is the word that it resembles, or comprehend is the word that it resembles. And in English, comprender means to understand. So once you get the hang of it, you're pretty good to go. And as I said, we're doing just letters A to D in this lesson, and we'll pick up with the rest of the alphabet in the other two lessons. We are going to look at this one. Diente. Now, diente resembles dentist, and dentists deal with your teeth. In this case, diente is singular, so we'll just write it as tooth. But diente means tooth. Número 9. Oh, I missed out one of the C's. Let me just put that in right here. This is a fun one too. Calor looks like the word calorie, and calories have to do with hot or heat. When they say you burn calories. And so calor means hot. And then this one, this is one of them that we have also in the direct cognates category, because it falls into one of those groups that has that discernible pattern that you can pick up to know what the relationship is between the words. So the verb that goes with this though is dormir. So let's put them together. Dormitorio as well as dormir. They both look like and resemble the English word dormitory, or some say dormitory, but dormitorio, Spanish, in the English it means bedroom. And there you have it, as easy as 1, 2, 3, part 1 of Indirect Cognates. Thank you for watching this lesson. Adios.